What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Pression. This is King Diva. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my hair in a minute twist when I don't want to take down the minute twist before doing the washout. So today I'm going to be showing you guys that. It's going to be really easy peasy. So just watch through. The steps are pretty simple, pretty easy to decipher. So first off, we're going to start with a homemade black soap infused conditioner, and I'm going to be using this to wash my hair. I'm going to apply it onto my hair, after which I'm going to using the mentholated conditioner, and this is what it looks like. It's really cool on the hair. And then after that, pretty much just moisturize my hair and we're good to go. The steps are really easy and very easy to follow through. So I'm just showing you guys my hair, what it looks like. It's been in this twist for over a month already, and I'm not ready to take it down. So I really want to wash it and then take it on for a while before I finally take it down. You want to make sure that you saturate your hair with the hair shampoo, and by hair I mean your scalp, actually, not your hair strands. You focus more on on your scalp to make sure that all the gunk is, you know, finally out. And then you try not to focus so much on your hair strand so that you don't strip your hair of most of its natural hair oils. So at this point, I've washed my hair and I'm just tying it down so that all the water can be absorbed by the towel. Make sure not to rub your towel against your hair, because that would only cause your hair to break. So once the towel has absorbed most of the water from your hair, then you can take it down. Ooh, at this point you can notice that my hair has a weird color. It has this, dirty whitish kind of color, ash kind of color, and it has a black kind of color. All this is kind of pretty normal. I really saturated my hair with a lot of shea butter, and washing shea butter out of your hair can be a vigorous process. So I decided to switch it up. Instead of, forcing my hair to be washed down by like the regular shampoo, I decided to use the conditioner to do the work, and I was amazed. So I actually went into the shower a second time to wash again, and I still came out with most of the patches on the hair, like the whole ash patches, they were still there. And I was like, at this point, if I wash any further, my hair would be completely stripped of its natural hair oils. So I went ahead with my conditioner, and to be honest, I was really amazed at the results, because as I massaged the conditioner into my hair, I could see all that ashy, I don't know, like the ashy thing that couldn't be washed away. I could see it all melting out from my hair, and that really made me happy. And one thing I love about this hair conditioner is the fact that it's really mentholated. Like it feels like a cold, chilled um, sensation on your scalp, and it's really amazing. Really amazing, very cool product. And it took away all of that ashy thing, and my hair was looking fresh by the time I washed it out. So at this point, I've washed my mentholated conditioner out of my hair. Whoa, oh my god. I was really amazed. Like, can you see how jet black it looks? Oh, well, my hair is not jet black, but like, I mean, compared to how it was looking before, this is like, what, 100% improvement? I don't know, but it looks really, really cool. It looks really, really cool. So that's how amazed I was. I couldn't believe the results just wowed me, and this is like the second time I'm trying this hair conditioner, and I can say I'm amazed. So I went in with moisturizing. I used the Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner, and after which I went in with my mixture of hair oils, and that was it. My hair condition process was over, and the smell of this thing is really, 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 really cool. Please forgive the lighting. I think it was getting really dark, and yeah, I just had to just rush it up. So the consistency of this leave-in conditioner is, I can say it's really, really okay. It's not bad. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It's just okay. It's just very okay. So it really melted into my hair. I mean, given the fact that my hair was like totally twisted and all that, and it was a tight mini twist. So I was really amazed at how much it could absorb the conditioner, and I put all down my hair, and I went in with the hair oils, and the hair was just, it was wowing me all the way.